I am very hungry, so we're gonna go eat all the food that's out of the kitchen and in the freezer and the fridge. So let's get started, and we're gonna go to the kitchen. Okay, so we're in the kitchen, and we're gonna go to the pantry first. Pantry. Bowl. Milk. Okay, so first we have to pour the cereal. Yummy. All done. Okay, so now we're all done, so we're gonna have something else, and it's gonna come out of the fridge. Cheese. Oh my, that was good. We need some sugar and high fat, so let's get the actual sugar. Sugar. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm stuffed. I don't think I can eat anymore. Oh no. The food, it's coming back up. So that's it for this video. Bye.